the car at a car stop? I don't care who you are.
I'm doing moving automobile surveillance. You've just screwed that up completely.
Yeah, you just got into an accident. I don't care what I screwed up.
I did not get into an accident.
Honestly, I don't give a shit what surveillance you're doing. This is a motor vehicle stop. I don't care if you ran a red light. I don't care what you did. It doesn't give you the right to do it. He's claiming you hit his car. Okay?
I did not hit his car.
Well, that's not my problem.
I have a dash cam.
Okay, that's great. You don't jump out of a car when you're on a car stop. It's an easy way to wind up dead, buddy. Think about it. Think about it for 2 seconds. You jump out of a car with me and my cruiser on a car stop. Brilliant. Close your door and wait. All right. Because you're so enamored in trying to follow a car, you caused another accident.
I did not.
Okay. Whatever. He's claiming that you cut him off, causing him to drive into a signpost and had significant damage on his car because you're an erratic operator.
I did not.
Okay. Well, that's his claim. I'm going to let the other officers handle it because I'm on my way into work. Okay? But you realize how close you came to a serious incident by just jumping out of your car in a car stop. No normal person does that.
I'm a private investigator. I'm on pursuit.
It doesn't matter what you're doing.
Right
now, you're in a traffic stop. Because you're a private investigator, it doesn't give you the right to jump out of your car in a traffic stop.
From my perspective, that guy had serious road rage.
Yeah, because you caused him to smash into a sign.
I did not.
In his opinion.
I did not.
Okay.
This was the intersection where he claimed I hit him.